Subscribe Science on YouTube for more videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Science on YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Today our lecture is about the basics of the derivatives. In this lecture I will define and explain some basics of the derivatives, that how to find the basics, how to find the derivatives, and I will do the more example on this topic. So the first one we mostly related with is the power rule in derivatives. It's very important, the power rule. It states that if this is any variable and the power is constant or any variable, so the derivatives can be found out. The derivative of this can be found out by putting the power down, down, this first step, and the second is reduce the power by 1. Reduce the power by 1. So now I will do example on these two steps. For example, consider this is the any variable and we want to find the derivative of this. So the first step is putting the power down. I will put the power down on this. So what it becomes? It becomes n. The n is now down, x power. What remains here? N. But the second steps include reduce the power by 1. So the second steps comes out to be, now reduce this n by 1, n minus 1. So this is the derivative of this function, y is equal to x power n. Now I will do more example and a complex example on this topic. Now I will solve the more example on this topic, y is equal to x, 8x power cube. So how to solve this? This is done by two steps. The first one is putting the power down, put the power down and reduce the power by 1, 3 minus 1. So simplifying, 8, 3, 24, and to x and to 2. So this is the derivative of this function. Now if I solve the complex example, so now we want to find the derivative of this complex function. So how to find? We will find the derivative of this function like this. With respect to x, so putting the power down here and reduces this power by 1. So it comes out to be, reduce the 2 from 1, so it comes out to be 1 minus 4, and reduce this, putting the power down, 2, and reduce this 2 by 1 plus 3 is there is 1, so I put the 1 and x remains with the power 0, it remains with the 0 plus, and the 2, the constant derivative, the derivative of always the constant is equal to 0. So the derivative of 2 is 0 is equal to 0. So if I solve this, so it comes out to be 3 to 2, 6x minus 4 into 8x plus 3x power 0, it comes out to be 1. So there is nothing to write here and equal to 0. So this is the derivative of this function by the power rule. We can find and we can simplify this more, y power, y into derivative, and minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or y bar is equal to minus 2x plus 3. So this is the derivative of this function, of this complex function. We can find the derivative of any function just by knowing the rule that putting the power down and reducing this power by 1. So I will upload more videos on the complex functions and the trigonometric functions, how to find their derivative and integration in the coming lectures. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos on science. Thank you for watching our video.